Fix 404 errors you should never seen. Step on you need. Objectives. To fix 404 error, you can check the URL typos, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, verify the page still exists on the website, and if necessary, set up a 301 redirect to a new location if the page has been moved. For website owners, check your website's permalinks.txt file and scan for broken links to identify and fix the source of the 404 error. Find the cutting pliers. Cut the front wires. Make sure to fix the 404 error. Place cement to inside the bowl. Make sure the opponents. Use spoon wisely to inside a cement bowl. Run away.